5 passive income streams that actually work in 2025. Most people are searching for passive income in 2025, but over 70% of the methods you see online are exaggerated or simply don't work. Today, I'm giving you 5 passive income streams that actually generate real money, backed by data, institutions, and real economics. These are practical, safe, and accessible, even if you're starting with a small budget. Hey, Panda here from Make Money with Panda. My job is to break down complex financial topics into simple, actionable insights you can use immediately. Whether you're in the US, Canada, or the UK, these income streams work right now in 2025. Let's dive straight into the first one, a favorite of long-term investors and one of the most passive income streams ever created. 1. Dividend ETF funds with automatic reinvestment, DRIP. Why it works in 2025. ETFs remain one of the most stable, regulated, and diversified investment tools. Dividend-focused ETFs continue to offer reliable payouts as companies maintain strong balance sheets. DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan, compounds your returns automatically. More detail, dividend ETFs hold dozens or even hundreds of companies. When these companies pay dividends, the ETF collects them and you receive a payout every quarter, or in some cases every month. With DRIP turned on, these payouts are used to buy more ETF units without you doing anything. Types of ETFs, Dividend Aristocrats, companies that increased dividends for 25 plus years. High dividend yield ETFs, higher payouts but slightly more risk. REIT ETFs, exposure to real estate income without buying property. Earnings potential, dividend yields typically range from 2% to 5%, depending on the ETF. With reinvestment and long-term growth, total returns can be significantly higher. Who this is ideal for: anyone wanting a hands-off, long-term income stream that grows automatically. 2. Digital licensing income, graphics, templates, music. Why it works: the creator economy is booming faster than ever. People need design assets, templates, and media for YouTube videos, websites, businesses, and AI projects. You create once, you earn many times. Expanded examples: resume templates optimized for applicant tracking systems. YouTube thumbnail packs. Podcast intro music or background loops. Canva templates for small businesses. Printable planners, budget trackers, calendars. Platforms: Etsy, Creative Market, Envato, Adobe Stock. Time and effort: you don't need to be a professional designer. Many successful sellers use simple design tools and focus on solving practical problems. Earnings: a single template can generate revenue for years. Top sellers often turn this into a passive monthly income of $200 to $5,000 plus. 3. High-yield savings accounts, HISA, and fixed deposits. Why it works in 2025, central banks haven't dropped rates dramatically et. Banks still compete for deposits, offering attractive yields. Expanded details: high-yield savings accounts require no investing knowledge and carry almost zero risk. Interest is calculated daily or monthly and paid automatically. This is one of the safest passive income streams available. Typical 2025 rates: USA, 4% to 5%, Canada, 3% to 4%, UK, 3% to 5%. What makes it passive: no management required. Government-backed deposit insurance, FDIC, FSCS, CDIC. Ideal for emergency funds, short-term savings, or low-risk investors. 4. Affiliate income through evergreen content. Why it works: in 2025, evergreen content performs better than trendy short-term videos. Tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos continue to generate views for years. Deep dive: with affiliate income, you recommend a product or service. When someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. The key is to create evergreen content that doesn't expire. For example, Top 5 Budgeting Apps, Beginner's Guide to Investing in ETFs, best tools for remote work in 2025. Popular affiliate networks: Amazon Associates, FinTech apps, Revolut, Wise, brokerage platforms, Skillshare, Udemy, Adobe, Canva, website builders. Earnings: 5% to 50% commission depending on category. Important: this is semi-passive, you create the content once and it keeps earning. 5. Sharing Economy 2.0, renting out underused items. Why it works: consumers want access, not ownership. Renting provides value without requiring big commitments. Expanded examples: camera lenses that cost $20 per day to rent. Drones rented for photography gigs. Electric scooters and e-bikes rented to commuters. Power tools for home improvement. Even household equipment like carpet cleaners. Platforms: Fat Llama, UK, Facebook Marketplace, local rental apps. Earnings: you can earn $50 to $300 per month from one item depending on demand. Who benefits? Anyone with gear that sits unused most of the time. Summary. Here are the 5 passive income streams that truly work in 2025. 1. Dividend ETFs with DRIP, long-term compounding. 2. Digital licensing, scalable and creator-friendly. 3. High-yield savings accounts, safest passive income. 4. Evergreen affiliate marketing, content that earns for years. 5. Sharing economy rentals, monetize what you already own. Start with 1, automate it, then build from there. If you want more practical ways to earn money online and offline, hit subscribe and join the Panda community. And if you want a free checklist, your first 30 days of building passive income, comment, "I want the checklist," and I'll send it straight to you. See you in the next episode.